Hey y'all, JT here, Hatfields Mini Farm. Quick introduction on how to do a wheel hub assembly repair on a 2017 Chevrolet Suburban. These are the tools you are going to need. You're going to need one of these ratchets right here with a 18 millimeter socket. You're going to need one of these with a 19 millimeter socket for your wheels. You're going to need a 36 millimeter axle socket, dead blow hammer, pair of snips, some axle grease. And some of this stuff wouldn't be bad to have either. Graphite dry lube. Stay tuned for part 2, and I'll show you where the bolts are and how to take it off.